Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix durability in Arc Raiders. First, open your inventory and find the item that has reduced durability. This can be any weapon, shield, or augment that you use during gameplay. Now, right-click on the item if you are playing on PC. A small menu will appear. From this menu, select the repair option. This will start the repair process for that specific item. Keep in mind that repairing is not free. Each repair will consume certain resources. The most common materials you will need are advanced mechanical components and medium gun parts. Make sure you have enough of these materials in your inventory before trying to repair anything. If you do not have the required materials, you will need to collect them by looting, completing missions, or exploring different areas in the game. It is also important to note that not every item needs constant repair. Try to manage your gear wisely and only repair items that you actively use. This will help you save valuable resources over time. Thanks for watching.